our Monday look at weekend events in the world of sports, compiled and presented by Sportsnet Bob Hamilton.
Richard actually very carefully digitized this from a cassette tape that he recorded back in the early 90s. And if you have cassette tapes, if you've got reel-to-reel tapes, if you've got any recordings of shortwave broadcasts, off-air recordings, please let us know. Go to the shortwavearchive.com. You can also contact me at thomas@swling.com.
Thanks, Thomas.
Thank you.
We're going to move on to our second listening set, which will have some more shortwave origin stories and some specially commissioned compositions. First, we're going to kick it off with an excerpt of an interview that I did with sound artist Lee Montgomery, who's a professor of electronic arts at the University of New Mexico. One of the classes he teaches is the art of transmission, which looks at the use of transmitting and receiving audio by artists. I'll just read a little bit from his syllabus. This class will focus on the artistic possibilities of digital and analog transmission technologies, wireless and otherwise, with a particular but non-exclusive focus on the use of the electromagnetic spectrum. Students will work with homemade analog electronics and repurposed commercial technologies, as well as free and open source streaming solutions to explore the potential of the internet and wireless technologies, such as cell phones and netbooks, to distribute and generate audio and video content. Well, Lee, who's done a lot of interesting work, he's currently using drones, which are programmed through wireless technology, to create art, and he had an earlier project called Neighborhood Public Radio, which set up shop for several months at Memphis, and they invited anyone to come in and talk on the airwaves and really do that, an advocate of sort of micro broadcasting. So his class, they build transmitters and they come up with projects, but to get them warmed up, Lee hands his class a Sony 7600 GR, and they learn how to use it and and sort of attunes their ear to some of the sounds that they'll be working with. So here is Lee talking about his class.
Their first assignment was to create an edited audio piece with sound that they recorded from the radio. It's really just designed to make sure that at the very least, going into it, they can record, edit, and present an audio piece using radio.